In this video, we will look all the materials needed for making Tanajor or Tanajor painting. To start the project work, first we need a base. You will need a waterproof plywood. On top of that, we will be do the layering. This is a layered plywood. Make sure it is thick. The thickness should be 4 mm to 10 mm. Make sure it is thick because the way we are doing the relief painting, it needs a strong base. Otherwise, the whole painting will collapse. To do the authentic Tanjore painting, this will be the method. Now, for this work, I will be showing a canvas because canvas is easily available at any places. Some people also don't want to do all the steps for making the board, so I am using a thick canvas board. Don't worry, I will show you both the authentic and the normal method so that you can choose whichever you like. Additionally, we need a white cotton cloth. Make sure it is 100% cotton by holding it and see how the transparency is. No colored cloth will be working here, so we only need white cloth for Tanjore painting base preparation. Plus, we need additional cloths for the embossing work. We need French chalk powder or chalk powder and marble dust or marble powder. Always strain the powders before using it. So for straining, we need this sieve. On top of that, we need a sharp scissor, a camel permanent marker, a compass which has a sharp end, then a thick transparent paper for making the cone. This is the cone we were looking at. I will definitely show how to make cones. On the other hand, you can use an empty glue bottle in spite of the cone. Then we need a Fevicol MR. I'm so sorry, it's so big that my camera could not do justice for it. Additionally, we need at least acrylic colors and some paint brushes to use it. One thick and one zero size brush will be do enough for this painting. Next is my most favorite part, which is minas. These are stone with various colors like yellow, red, blue, pink, etc. We are going to use this in the meenakari steps. You don't need to do with exact same stone as I have, you can do it with any stone. Then we need a carbon paper for the tracing work. I am using here a white carbon paper. It is pretty obvious to use a white carbon paper. Tanjore painting has a lot of mixing going on. For that we need a flat brush to apply the mixture. Additionally, we need several bowls like plastic or steel bowls. Aluminium bowls will also work the same. After that, we need gold foil. Here I am using gold leaves. Gold leaves are cheaper than gold foils. Let's open and see what's inside. You can see the thin gold leaves which are available in the sheets. So I will be using these gold sheets. You are free to use original gold foil, but that are very costly for normal people. So I will prefer to use gold leaves. To start with, first we will learn how we can prepare the mug board. We will make several layers and prepare the mug board. After the board is done, we will do the tracing. There are many important steps you need to follow while tracing, so I will be discussing all of them. After that, we will learn how we can make perfect consistency mixture, and then we will do our cone work. The cone work is the most important part of a Tanjore painting. So we will do it in a very detailed manner. I will also give additional tips and tricks for the cone works. After the lining work, we will do the background coloring and followed by the gold foil work. The gold foil work is one of the significant steps for Tanjore painting. After the gold work, we are ready to do the meenakari work with lovely colorful stones. This step is my most favorite step. After some more steps, our Tanjore painting is now done. See how beautiful the 3D Tanjore painting looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? Now it's time for you to join and enjoy the class.
If you want to see more such kind of beautiful lovely folk art, don't forget to visit my YouTube page where I regularly upload this kind of videos. Till now, bye.